Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change email on Phemex. So let's get straight into it. First thing first, you need to be logged in into your account. Then head over here at the right side, right top side, and hover over to this icon, profile icon. Then scroll down to security, click on it, and right here under the security, you will see authentication methods. And the third one is email verification. So here at the right side, you will see your something of your email and then change button. Click on that. And now you have this code to enter it. So like that. I just need to get to this code right here, like that, confirm. Okay, so, and now I hit confirm. And now, as you can see, I can enter new email address and this new verification code, which I will get to this new email. And yeah, this is how you can change email in Phemex. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.